engage in analysis of intersectionalization between power, poverty, health, caste, gender equality, and environment sustainability. Gain a greater understanding of complexity. Principles were involved in multi-sector, multi-actor collaboration and work with the partnership. So we can learn from partnership, we learn from collaborativeness, explore the local effort to create, maintain, strengthen the society. Become and concentrate with the growing activity, network for mass media, press media, for giving the awareness of activities working for society, benefit for society, change for society. Volunteer makes themselves worthy of the confidence, cooperations, and group living. They shall avoid entering into the any controversial issues, and this issue is needed for us. I am proudly saying, very recently TISS organized one survey, and what they point out about the NSS, that is very important. You are aware about that. The Tata Institution of Social Science is a very important institute in the Maharashtra. Not only the Maharashtra, in nationwide, they give some of the suggestions. Somewhere they can give the guidelines. Somewhere they can give the philosophy, how we can run the education institutions, what problem, how can you solve this problem, how can resolve the problems. What they are telling about the NSS. The importance of NSS was, I'm reading this point and then you can say, the importance of NSS was underlined in evaluation of the study conduct through the Tata Institute of Social Science. In their study report, TISS conclude that the NSS has been a well-intentional and ideological motivated scheme of the government of India, and that NSS is one of the greatest experimental in the field of youth work in the world. In fact, TISS recommended that NSS should be mandatory for all public and private funded university, colleges and institutions should be the integrated part of their curriculum. So I am very happy to say that. The researchers also point out that NSS is a big and more reliable activity for society. I just give some information to you regarding the different activity run very shortly, but that is important. I am aware about that. Before the Kumbh Mela, KTHM College organized national level camp at Trimbakeshwar for cleanliness of Godavari. And I know very well aware about that. Srimati Nilima Pawar madam is play very vital role. She has organized different institutions, collaborative role for this cleanliness drive. This is indicate that the foresight of management. So for us, I really salute to Nirmala Pawar madam. She is doing very well in education system. They create the awareness among the faculty as well as the student as well as the community also. This is one of the most activity. Somewhere we can organize the activity, cleanliness of beaches, cleanliness of rivers, cleanliness of tanks. Somewhere we can organize the program of Nirmalya collection converted into composting. You are aware the Maharashtra state received Guinness Book of Record through the NSS activity of plantation, and this credit goes to again Savitribai Phule Pune University. This is the great achievement in NSS. I'm saying only 2-3 examples to you. Sweta Umbre from Nagpur University. Last year, Honorable Prime Minister organized the Youth Parliament, and proudly say Sweta Umbre achieved the first prize in auspicious hands of Prime Minister, and proudly say that our Prime Minister listened his speech and appreciate the what a commendable by NSS doing in Maharashtra. Another example, Dr. Saili Kamath. She also won second prize in summer internship program under the NSS 100 hours program launched by the Water and Sanitation Department of Central Government, and she has also received the award auspicious hands of then Minister Sri Uma Bharti. So it is indications. It is indicate that the Maharashtra will be doing very well in the nation wise, and we are the second largest in the strength in a country. About the NSS, about the volunteers, about the activity, and all these matter, we are very successful. And I really appreciate the NSS program officer will be doing very well in the state of Maharashtra, and therefore I am saying that the NSS is the role model for transforming of society and nation building. So this is the one of the platform in education system to attach with the community. I am very glad to say that the NSS is one of the best activity in Maharashtra for every sector, every corner they can reach. So I express my sincere thanks to organizer to give me the opportunity as a resource person for 3-day national workshop for NSS program officers and student development officer for the contribution of NSS. Thank you.